Welcome to our detailed review of the top 8 gadgets for convenience and style. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 8. HiTune Max3. The HiTune Max3 wireless headphones by WUBEN redefine your audio experience with advanced active noise-canceling technology, blocking out up to 35 dB of unwanted sound. The ergonomic over-ear design ensures comfort during extended listening sessions, while the lightweight and portable build makes it easy to carry them wherever you go. These headphones feature Bluetooth connectivity, providing seamless wireless audio without the clutter of wires. With long battery life, you can enjoy uninterrupted music, calls, or podcasts. Plus, 3D spatial audio adds depth and clarity, making every listening session an immersive experience. Number 7. Wireless mouse. The wireless mouse by WUBEN combines ergonomic design with high functionality, making it an ideal choice for work or study. Its full-size shape fits naturally in your hand, with soft rubber grips and a broad palm area ensuring comfort even during extended use. 6 mute buttons enhance its quiet operation, preventing distractions. Number 6. Laptop stand. The laptop stand by WUBEN is a practical and stylish accessory designed to improve your productivity. Made of high-quality aluminum, this foldable stand offers 5 adjustable levels to ensure an ergonomic typing and viewing position. The hollowed-out design promotes better airflow, keeping your laptop cool during intensive tasks. Compatible with devices up to 17.3 inches, this stand is perfect for laptops, tablets, and even phones. Skid-proof silicone coatings protect your device from scratches, while 2 curved feet ensure stability. Its compact, foldable design makes it portable and easy to store, making it a versatile tool for home or office use. Number 5. GaN Charger. The GaN Charger by WUBEN is a powerful and compact solution for all your charging needs. Featuring advanced GaN 2 technology, this charger is 47% smaller than traditional models, yet delivers high-speed charging with a maximum output of 65 watts. It supports multiple protocols, including PD 3.0, QC 3.0, and PPS, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices. This 3-in-1 charger includes 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port, allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. Its built-in safety protection chip and fireproof housing ensure reliable and safe charging for your devices, making it an essential tool for both home and travel. Number 4. WUBEN D1. The WUBEN D1 LED flashlight is a versatile tool for outdoor enthusiasts. With an impressive 1100 lumens and a 175-degree super floodlight, it illuminates your surroundings with ease. Powered by a rechargeable 18650 battery, it offers long-lasting performance and can also double as a mobile power source for charging devices via its Type-C port. Compact and durable, this flashlight is perfect for camping, hiking, or emergencies. Its sturdy construction ensures it can withstand tough conditions, while its lightweight design makes it easy to carry. Number 3. BONA Shoes. The BONA Shoes are the perfect blend of style and functionality for outdoor enthusiasts and athletes. These lightweight, comfortable sneakers are designed for running, jogging, trekking, and other athletic activities. The lace-up design ensures a secure fit, while the soft materials provide superior comfort during extended use. With their breathable construction and durable soles, these shoes are ideal for various terrains and weather conditions. Whether you're hitting the trails or exploring urban landscapes, these shoes will keep your feet supported and comfortable. Number 2. A13 Pro. The A13 Pro smartphone by WUBEN is a powerhouse of features packed into an elegant design. Powered by the Unisoc T610 octa-core processor, it delivers smooth performance for multitasking, gaming, and streaming. The 6.7-inch HD Plus display offers vibrant visuals, making it ideal for entertainment and productivity. Equipped with a 48-megapixel AI triple camera, this phone captures stunning photos and videos. Its 5150 mAh battery ensures long-lasting performance, while features like NFC and Android 11 provide added convenience. The matte glass back and flat-edged frame give it a premium look and feel, making it a stylish and functional choice. Number 1. X5 Pro. The X5 Pro dashcam by DDP-AI is a must-have for vehicle safety and recording. Featuring Sony's IMX415 4K sensor, it captures crystal-clear videos with 2160p resolution. The dual camera setup and 360-degree rotation allow comprehensive recording, ensuring you never miss a detail. This dashcam includes GPS tracking for added security and real-time location updates. With Wi-Fi connectivity and a parking protector mode, it offers convenience and peace of mind. Its compact design and reliable performance make it an essential tool for any driver. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.